What if I told you this stunning 1965 Pontiac GTO isn't just a classic muscle car, it's a tri-power beast with a Tremec 5-speed that's worth $87,900? Let's fire it up. 1965 was the year the muscle car revolution truly exploded, and few names carry as much respect as the Pontiac GTO. Today, we're looking at an extraordinary example that perfectly blends timeless American styling with carefully chosen performance upgrades. Wearing a breathtaking turquoise paint finish paired with a black vinyl top, this GTO captures attention long before the engine even starts. And with an asking price of $87,900, it's easy to see why enthusiasts and collectors can't stop talking about it. From every angle, this Pontiac reflects the golden age of American performance. The clean post-body design gives the car a purposeful stance, while the factory-inspired styling remains true to its heritage. The Pontiac Rally I wheels wrapped in Firestone F70-14 tires complete the authentic muscle car look, proving that sometimes the original formula is impossible to improve upon. But the real excitement begins when you lift the hood. Sitting proudly beneath it is the legendary 389 cubic inch Pontiac V8, one of the most celebrated engines in muscle car history. This isn't just any 389 either. It's equipped with the famous tri-power carburetor setup, featuring 3 two-barrel carburetors that transform this classic into a true street machine. As the throttle opens, each carburetor comes alive, delivering an unforgettable surge of power accompanied by one of the greatest engine sounds ever produced. Turn the key, and the V8 roars to life with a deep, unmistakable rumble. The Borla mufflers amplify every pulse of the engine, while the stainless steel exhaust lets the exhaust note breathe freely. It's not just loud, it's refined, aggressive, and instantly recognizable to anyone who appreciates classic American muscle. Unlike many vintage muscle cars that remain trapped in their original era, this GTO has been thoughtfully upgraded for modern driving. Behind that legendary V8 sits a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver smooth gear changes, improved cruising capability, and a far more engaging driving experience. Every shift through the Hurst shifter feels precise, mechanical, and incredibly satisfying. Sending power to the pavement is a durable 10-bolt rear end equipped with 3.731 Posi gears. This combination delivers explosive acceleration while ensuring both rear tires work together for maximum traction. Whether launching from a stoplight or accelerating onto the highway, this drivetrain provides confidence and excitement in equal measure. Performance isn't just about horsepower, it's also about control. That's why this GTO benefits from several suspension improvements while maintaining its classic appearance. Aftermarket control arms help sharpen steering response, while the tubular front suspension increases rigidity and handling precision. Bilstein shocks provide a comfortable ride without sacrificing performance, making this Pontiac equally capable on winding back roads or long highway cruises. Power steering makes low-speed maneuvering effortless, while front disc power brakes dramatically improve stopping performance over traditional drum brakes. Together, these upgrades transform the driving experience without taking away the authentic character that makes a 1965 GTO so special. Keeping the legendary V8 cool is an aluminum radiator, offering improved cooling efficiency for today's driving conditions. Whether cruising on warm summer afternoons or sitting in traffic at a local car show, this upgraded cooling system helps ensure dependable performance. Take a closer look underneath, and you'll quickly notice the level of care invested in this restoration. The underside has been finished with a clean black protective coating that enhances both appearance and durability. A new fuel tank and fresh hardware demonstrate that attention wasn't limited to what people can see. Even the stainless steel exhaust system reflects the quality expected from a premium build. Step inside, and the cabin instantly transports you back to the mid-1960s. The stock-style interior preserves everything enthusiasts love about the original GTO. Comfortable bucket seats, a center and the iconic 3-spoke steering wheel create create a driver-focused cockpit that feels authentic in every way. Directly ahead sits a complete gauge package featuring a tachometer, allowing the driver to monitor the powerful 389 V8 with ease. A factory-style rev warning adds another nostalgic touch, while the aftermarket radio quietly introduces modern convenience without disrupting the vintage atmosphere. The Hurst shifter proudly rises from the center console, inviting every driver to row through all 5 gears. It's one of those rare details that instantly reminds you this isn't simply a restored classic, it's a muscle car built to be driven and enjoyed. Outside, the turquoise paint absolutely glows under sunlight. The contrast created by the black vinyl roof highlights the GTO's muscular body lines while emphasizing its unmistakable 1960s styling. Every chrome trim piece, every body contour, and every detail works together to create one cohesive masterpiece. Even parked, this Pontiac looks fast. Imagine rolling into your local cruise night. Before the engine even shuts off, crowds begin gathering. Some admire the rare tri-power setup, others appreciate the Tremec conversion. Many simply stand back to admire one of Pontiac's greatest achievements. It's a car that sparks conversations across generations because everyone recognizes exactly what they're looking at. The greatest classics don't simply survive the decades, they continue inspiring new enthusiasts year after year. This 1965 Pontiac GTO does exactly that by combining legendary styling, iconic V8 performance, and tasteful upgrades that improve reliability, handling, and drivability without compromising its original identity. At $87,900, this isn't just another classic car purchase. It's an investment in one of America's most influential muscle cars, enhanced with modern engineering where it matters most while remaining unmistakably a 1965 Pontiac GTO. From the thunderous tri-power 389 V8 and Tremec 5-speed transmission to the Borla exhaust, Bilstein suspension, Rally I wheels, and stunning turquoise finish, every detail has been chosen to honor the legend while making it even better to drive today. If this incredible Pontiac GTO earned a place in your dream garage, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more legendary American muscle cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next automotive masterpiece. Until next time, keep your passion alive, and we'll see you in the next ride.